Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to download and install HP LaserJet Pro M404dn printer driver in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, you need to proceed at the bottom search bar and type for Chrome. Once you have typed it, please click on Open to continue. So once you are being navigated at this Google Chrome browser, you need to proceed at the search bar, okay, here, and please type for HP space LaserJet space Pro space M404dn. Once you've typed that, please click on enter so that you would be redirected to the result. So you can see a very first result, please click on it. And the moment you do it, you would be redirected to this new window where you can see the HP LaserJet Pro M404dn. Here, you need to scroll down. Please scroll down. Okay. And under this installation software, aligning to it, please click on this download icon. So please click on it and eventually it will start on the downloading of this file. We just have to wait until it will be downloaded. So please navigate to the upper right side of the screen. You can see there a download icon. Please click on it to keep on track the download progress. So we just have to wait until this would be downloaded before we can proceed. Once it is being downloaded, click this folder icon to show it in folder, and in that way you would be navigated to the location where it is being saved. From here, we need to move that from the downloads to the desktop. So how we can do so, click this cut icon, close the window as well as this, and please do a right click and go with the spaced icon to move it here to the desktop. Once you have successfully moved it here at the desktop, let's proceed on extracting this file. So by that, please do a right click and you need to scroll down. Okay, please scroll down and navigate to this one and go with extract to. So wait until it will be successfully extracted before we proceed to our next step. Once a new file folder is being created, we need to proceed to the start icon. Please do a right click and then scroll up and click on settings. Here at the settings, please proceed at the left side of that where you can see a list of the option. Please locate for an option called Bluetooth and devices. And under the Bluetooth and devices, you need to proceed with the devices option. And here you need to scroll down and locate with more devices and printer settings. So please click on it. And the moment you do it, you would be able to bring up this new window where here you need to proceed to the option called add a printer. And from here, click on the bottom option, which is the printer that I want isn't listed, and choose add a local printer or network with manual settings. So click on next. And from here, click this down arrow and use this USB port. So just choose among of these three. It could be USB 001, 002, or 003. In my case, I'll be using USB 001. So please click on next. And the moment you do that, you just have to go with browse. And in this window called locate file, proceed to your desktop and please scroll down and locate with this one. So double tap to it and eventually you would be able to see all of the drivers. So all of these files contains the driver. Just select any of this, click on open, go with OK, and it will show you here. Okay, so you can choose among of this. So click on next. You can rename that. In my case, I'll be renaming it into M404dn. Once you have set it, please click on next and eventually it will now start in the installation driver. If your user account control would ask you to say yes, proceed with yes so that you can continue on the installation. So here in this printer sharing window, if you would like to set to share this printer, turn this on. If you don't like to share this printer to others, you can turn it on. In my case, I'm allowing to share this printer to others. That's why I'm clicking on this. So go with next. And if you would like to set it as your default printer, you can check the box. In my case, I don't want to. That's why I'm leaving this unchecked. Go with finished, and there you have that. You have just successfully installed the HP LaserJet Pro M404dn in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So by that, you can now close the window as well as this and you're good to go. Now, if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.